Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel, where trucks get real. Ram did what with the 202-6150? Yeah, they didn't just upgrade it. They flipped the script on the full-size pickup game. This thing is wild, and you're about to see why. The second you step into the 2026 Ram 1500, you know you're not in a traditional work truck. Front and center is a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen. Mounted vertically like a Tesla, but rugged and responsive like a true Ram. It's fast, sharp, and completely customizable from climate to towing presets. But here's where it gets unreal. Ram has introduced a built-in AI voice assistant. Not Alexa, not Google. This is Ram's own system. You say, "Check trailer lights," and boom, the truck runs a full trailer diagnostic before you even leave your seat. Lights, brakes, hitch, all verified. No second person needed. Now, let's talk power. The legendary Hemi V8. Gone. Yup, it's been replaced by a 3.0L Hurricane twin-turbo inline-six. I know some old-school fans will hate that, but listen, it's pushing out up to 540 horsepower in the high-output version. It's smoother, quicker, and more fuel-efficient. Mash the throttle, and it just goes. No lag, no drama. Just clean turbo torque. Now for the parts no one saw coming. Factory refrigerated Ram boxes. You heard that right. Cold storage built in too. The bed walls, drinks, food, tools, all kept cool on the go. Ram just turned every tailgate party and job site into a VIP lounge. Comfort-wise, it's next level. The 2026 comes with active ride control, air suspension with real-time damping adjustments. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or cruising the highway, it stays level, smooth, and dead quiet inside. It drives more like a luxury SUV than a traditional pickup. Towing, still a beast, 11,500 pounds max. But now with enhanced trailer assist features like memory presets, line-guided backup, and a surround view camera, hooking up and reversing with a trailer has never been easier. Now look, not everything is perfect. Losing the V8 hurts a bit if you're a purist. And yeah, the price, especially on trims like the Tungsten, has crept up. But when you add up what this truck is offering, performance, tech, comfort, towing, it actually feels worth every penny. So the real question is, are you ready to upgrade? Or are you sticking with your classic HEMI? Let me know in the comments. I read every one of them. And if this truck shocked you like it did me, smash that like button. This is Auto Plus. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.